He's revving her up.
He's pulling the ripcord.
Oh,
He's pulling the ripcord.
It's a Pfizer vaccine.
He's bringing it down.
The chainsaw death drop. Oh my God. That was clean contact. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's it. That's it. Chainsaws won the match. Oh my.
What a match, ladies.
The chainsaw death drop has never failed. His wife is up in heaven and she is smiling because he sent Dow Jones to hell.
She's up in heaven, but she's happy as hell, I tell you what.
Wait, we got a fan! We got a fan! Oh my
Even
God.
the fans love it.
A good chainsaw fan. Oh my God.
They're not supposed to, but he's up at...
What's happening? What's happening?
He's a stock market. He's a fan of...
Who is it? It's NASDAQ! It's NASDAQ! He was in disguise! He was in disguise!
How'd he get out of Guantanamo?
What the fuck? Oh! Is this allowed?
He was in Guantanamo for years.
He's supposed to be in prison.
Supposed to be there now for white-collar crimes like inside trading. But he's here in the ring.
He just stunned chainsaw. The stock market is a terrifying thing.